Hello everyone. Today we are learning another chapter from history, chapter 4, the first cities, that is the Harappan civilization. Okay, in this chapter we are learning what is Harappan civilization, what are the characteristics of Harappan civilization, when this civilization discovered, and what are the features of this civilization. Let's start. The first cities. The Harappa civilization was the earliest urban civilization of India. According to many scholars, the Harappan people go to the world earliest cities, first town planning, first sample of sanitary drainage work. All these features we can see in that time, during that Harappan people time. So that is the way to the discovery of new cities. We already learned that the early men learned to live in groups for safety reason. In ancient times, early men live in groups. For what? For safety and for better cooperation. Then after that, with the discovery of agriculture, they began to lead a settled life. They form family and group of families rise to what? Small villages. Then, after the passage of time, these villages grew into large size and give rise to large villages. So, with the rise of these new skills and professions, some big villages developed into towns, and the town people began to produce more, and his trade relations related to another neighboring towns. So, this was the development of a town. From ancient people to modern time. That is the civilization development. Civilization means development. So one of the civilization developed in India, in this valley about 5,000 years ago. Think 5,000 years ago, one of the civilization happened that on the banks of Indus River. That is why it is called Indus Valley civilization. Okay, and at the same time, simultaneously, certain other river valley civilizations were flourishing in other parts of the world, such as Tigris Euphrates civilization in Mesopotamia, Nile Valley civilization in Egypt, Huanghe civilization in China, etc. So, in India or the Southeast Asia, one of the civilization developed in Indus Valley is Indus Valley civilization. Clear? Then the settlement pattern of Harappan civilization. The earliest city discovered in India was of Mohenjo-daro in Larkana district of Sindh. One of the city discovered in the Indus Valley is Mohenjo-daro in Larkana district of Sindh. Sindh is in Pakistan. Now it is in Pakistan. Okay. Then in the Indus Valley, another great city known as Harappa in Sehawal district was discovered. Then another city, one of the city is Mohenjo-daro and another city is Harappa. Okay. And these two cities, Mohenjo-daro and Harappa, is developed or is near the banks of river Indus and its tributaries. That is why it is called Indus Valley civilization. Okay. And some of the excavations at some other sites such as Ropa near Chandigarh, Lodal near Ahmedabad, Kalibangan in Rajasthan prove that this civilization, this Indus Valley civilization flourished, spread over a vast area comprising the whole of Sindh and Punjab. Okay, so this Indus Valley civilization is not confined to a particular area, it is spread over a vast area, that is the combination of Sindh and Punjab. Okay, then we can see what are the characteristics of a civilization. Not the Indus Valley civilization, the total, the characteristics of a civilization. Civilization means development. Okay. The first characteristics is towns and cities. The development of new towns and cities is one of the characteristics, one of the feature of a civilization. The second one is surplus food production. There is food production happened in that country, then that is the one of the civilization method. Then trade flourishes and people specialize in various trade activities. Increasing of trade with the surplus food production, that will increase the trade. Then development of technology is another feature of civilization. Then another one is art flourishes and many art and craft forms exist. Art flourishes and many art and craft form exist. Then people communicate through language in written and spoken form. In earlier times, people speak in um, not a written and spoken form language. So the development of this written and spoken form is another feature of the civilization. Then the society is divided into various socio-economic segments. Law and order. There is a law and order exists in that place, and also one government is also there to enforce into implementing this law and order. So if the place is confined to these features, then we can say that that area is developed. So these are the characteristics of a civilization. Clear? Then we can discuss in next class. Thank you.